Hi there guys, do you see me? Okay. Sorry. Hello, how are you all doing? Some kind of a tired. Sorry. Hold on. Thank you, Lord, for all the blessings that you give, for all the trials and challenges that I surpass. Shout out to my family in Bicol, Head my mother, for award of esteem. Laura, my bitch, and Kale. Shout out to all my first viewers who never get tired of my masterpieces. Thank you so much to every one of you. And to all my silent subscribers out there, hi. To all my 10 lovely guys, hello. And to each every one of you, okay. Guys and gals, I haven't had my reviews for this one. A Quiet Place, day 1. See that? Because during that time, on some kind of what's that? No, I'm not always busy, but my phone is have some troubleshooting, malfunctioning, and doesn't have the right time frame. That's why, and I have to delete some pictures, screenshots, and videos. Anyway, guys and girls, you know what? I don't know if I love this movie or I hate this movie. I just still prefer the first one, the part 1 and the part 2. But there's a new scenes that they've shown in here, and in somehow, some way, I scared at the top. I shout, and I'm some kind of being scared, and there's this a fear factor. Hold on, guys. How about like that? Oh gosh, some kind of a anyway, so let's continue. What should I gonna say? Sorry. I love this movie. Okay, I like this movie, but there are some loopholes that I've seen in here. And you know what, guys and girls, since they said day 1, I'm expecting that they will tell and they will reveal why is it that there are monsters in here, why are these creatures being pop up in the world of human beings, and why is it that they being created. So they didn't tell, they didn't make some story about on it, where did they came from. So I'm some kind of a little bit disappointed. And the second one is why is it that this who's this one? I forgot. Nyong'o, Lupita Nyong'o. Why is it that when there's a particular scene, she had to grab some food and some medicines, and she also grabbed a bag, a tote bag. Is it right? Tote bag or some kind of just handy bag, and it's white. And when she had an encounter with the monsters, and she got rumbling down and being dirty, being dirty with the swamps, with the mud, MUD, and other trash. So I'm thinking that while the story goes on, the one that she's carrying bag, the tote bag, is still dirty. But you know what, guys, because you will feel disappointed on that scene, because I've noticed that before the end of the story, the one that she's carrying the bag is still clean. So they should have the continuity that from the start it was being dirty until the last scenes of the movie, it's still dirty. Yeah. And what else should I gonna say about the movie? Well, compared to hold on. I also, compared to the first one, I think the first and the second are the most having a scare factor, a fear factor. And what else? Well, it's also a kind of some having an adrenaline rush that you will got scared and you will feel that you are on the movie. Hold on, are still on the go. Sorry guys. I'm sweating, some kind of a hot in here. Hold on. So yeah, do you see me now? What I should want to say, the movie, well, there's a moral story of that, helping each other, and trusting yourselves that you have to take the risk and you should have to fight for your lives. Okay, and hold on. Oh, what else? So sorry guys. It's still it's some kind of being 3 weeks since I've seen this one. That's why I almost forgot those things that I'm gonna say. Anyway, I also I love the way the monsters being crawled, being captured by the camera, wherein focusing how they will open their large mouth and then they tell no, not tell, not they tell, it's also shows here how they will capture, or how will they defeat the monster. So there's a kind of techniques and there's a kind of way how can you defeat them. But I'm not gonna divulge it guys and girls because I want you to watch this one. Well, actually it's not a cost, it's not a waste of money, so very entertaining also, and you will be entertained. Okay, hold on, what I should gotta say about the movie? There's something unique. Well, there are some scenes that very unpredictable. You would never think that would be the one to be happen. And there's the one. Hold on, guys, I forgot. Gosh, I forgot. Okay. Here it is. Sorry, guys, I'm being lost. Now I remember. I want a fight scene with the main characters and the creatures. You know what I'm trying to say? Just like in Resident Evil or in any other monster movie like Alien, that they should hold each other's hand, they will kick them. They didn't do that. And then there's a cat in here. I just some kind of amazed, but I just don't know why is it like that. A very talented kitten, yeah, a very talented cat, a cute cat that not even a single word or even meow, the cat didn't make it. I don't know. They teach the cat or what, but some kind of amazing. Anyway, guys and girls, I really love the cinematography, the production design, and I think they have lots of money spent in this movie, and I think there will be another part for this one, because even though the other character remained on that place and she wanted to, I don't know if she want, oh gosh, I don't know if the character wants to end his or her life, I don't know, but for me, he or she shouldn't do that way. But it didn't show if the character being eaten alive or being dead, or so it's some kind of $1 in a million question to be answered. Okay. I'm sweating, guys. Sorry. What else should I gotta say? That's it. Okay, guys. Just in case I do remember some reviews about this movie, I'll just add on the next episode. But for now, thank you for watching. Bye. Take care.